Thank you everyone for tuning into another episode of EC Techie. This week I'm going to go over another purchase I've made here that I am so excited for. And guys, you're going to watch the whole video here is mostly of me unboxing it and going through my experiences first when I first got the package and when I set it up, got it ready, and then I'm going to go through after that and go over personal impressions here after. But this is new PS5. Ooh, look at that. Get all your paperwork, everything's there. Got your cord to plug it in. Ooh, and the controller. Look at that. Man. So we got Type C and everything. The buttons are transparent. Ooh, that's gonna be nice. Oh, yes, that fits good. I like it. Oh, this is a base. So this is for if you want to lay your PS5 on its side. This will make it to where it vents, as well as if you stand it up, it helps for venting. That way it doesn't overheat. There's that. Okay, catch. You have an HDMI cable, kind of bulky, and then looks like a charging cable for the remote. That's pretty nice. Or if you want to hardwire it straight into the PS5, you can.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, this thing is heavy. Is it, yeah? Oh my gosh. Now this is obviously the disc version, so you don't have to just download everything to it. You can also put the disc in. You have your regular USB port, a Type C port. Actually, yeah, it is a Type C. Got your power on and off, eject button. On the bottom, you have where you can put this clip. And then on the back, obviously you have your port for plugging it in, HDMI for the TV. You also have an Ethernet port, and then 2 more USB ports, which is awesome. Now, you have this on the side, and at some point on the actual, it's so hard to see. There's all these little symbols. It's kind of hard, I'm shaking. I am super excited. Now we're gonna plug it in. Setup time. Plug it in. Okay, all right. Got the remote. And let's turn it on. Oh, wrong button. Look at that. Got this going. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's the button. I can ask. It's orange. I don't know if you can see that. You guys are crazy. All right, we're in the setup now. English. All right, we are in. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So obviously you have your games, your media. You can download any app that you want. I actually have some apps from my PlayStation 4 that I'm probably gonna download over. but we'll see about that. I got my profile on the top. Everything is set up. I got it. Let's see. I don't think, it only comes with Astro's Playroom, but essentially all that does is it showcases the controller features and everything. So let's click on that real quick. So I don't know if you guys can hear it, but sound is actually coming through the controller itself. Everything is going crazy. It's vibrating. Can you hear that? Woo! Super cool. And so you can turn on. Here's the show. So obviously there's so much that this can do, and I'm super excited to add everything to it, add some games, get playing, and once I do, I'm gonna have to show you guys for sure what's next. Alright, yes, so overall thoughts are, I love this PS5 so much. It works amazingly. It replaced my PC that I had before. So I used to game on PC, transitioned over to the PS5 here, went back to the console. It's amazing. I mean, come on, there's not really a whole lot you can talk about in regards that are bad to the PlayStation 5. Obviously, I'm sure you guys have seen so many different videos, so many different things on why exactly people like it. So go ahead and check those out for sure. But for me personally, it's a huge improvement from last generation's gaming. Everything is way more smooth. I can actually push my video all the way up to 4K and watch movies at 8K, I believe. Don't quote me on that. Also, you can get these consoles up to 120 hertz. It's not going to show on that video previously, just because this camera also records 4K at 30 frames. I was playing on about 60 at the moment. But you can dial it up to 120 frames. It's super smooth. Overall, everything about this PS5 is fantastic. I've had no issues with it whatsoever. The controller feels super nice in my hands. Just overall is a fantastic experience, and I would definitely recommend you guys grabbing the PS5. Alright, so thank you everyone for tuning into another episode of EC Techie. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure to go follow all of my socials down below. That would be greatly appreciated. Go ahead and like and subscribe here if you want to see content in the future and did like this video. But I hope you guys have a good day, night, or whenever you guys are listening to this. Peace.